this start right off the bat. I hate that. Hey guys, today is the 22nd, and I got to go to Best Buy today to get something that I've been eyeing for a very long time, which is the Intuos Pro Medium. I was for a long time debating between the large and the medium, but I figured if the medium's too small, I can always upgrade to the large instead of buying the most expensive right off the bat and yada yada yada. So I'm going to need my knife. Can I need my knife? I'm back with the knife. They package things so well. Seriously. Okay. Where's the cake? Goes this way? No, this way. I think? No. Obviously this way. Okay. Okay. Grab the phone. You gonna stay open like you did for me? What it looks like on the inside. I mean, it's packaged really well in my opinion. I mean, my last tablet that I had from my school was literally in a box with a plastic over it. So this is pretty awesome for packaging. I mean, for the price, it kind of has to be. The pen is so pretty. My pen. Everything's so strange. I kind of don't like this rest though. It's weighted. Mine's cuter though.
You take a lot of this back.
I know. I've been waiting until I got this in case I had to do it.
With some little gift.
It's really light, actually. Very surprised how light it really is. That's really my tablet. I should have grabbed my tablet just for size comparison. Hi, kitty cat.
No, Thomas.
Certification. The little box with the CDs. I think this has the CDs in it. From the last unboxing that I watched. Yep. And the nibs, I think. Oh yes, and the colorings. That's awesome. That's right. Battery. Extra USB ports. That's so smart. And the booklet. CD. And instruction manual. It's so nice. Crazy nice. Oh, there's a pen. This guy just went off. Yeah, hi kitty cat. Yeah, hi kitty cat. Please don't fall. Okay. So, the list of things. These are the few odds and ends that I just said that came with it. Different colorings for the pen, and I don't see any extra nibs like I had originally thought there would, but of course CD and everything. This pen, so nice. I think I have to put a battery in it. I don't know. Really hope it's eraser feature. Oh, that's right. I completely forgot about this. There is nibs. It's like this adorable little thing. I mean, how ingenious is that? Crazy awesome. If you can't tell, here. We got a little spinning wheel. Gosh, that is so. Found the nibs. I forgot they're in this. Isn't that really ingenious? How it goes in there to protect them so you don't lose them. And they're right there. And links.
Instead of go up in the attic, it's
Yes.
because I don't want it sitting around.
It's a big box.
Move along right now. Okay. Are you still doing that?
Yep. Keeping that because I'm going to need it for art. Smooth the touch. It smells like that new plasticky smell. And you know that plasticky smell? Kind of smells like the Disney store at the mall. It's weird, but it's true. But yeah, I mean, let me go get my tablet as a comparison. It's about the same size, I'm pleased to say. I'm already pleased to say that. This was the size of my old tablet, and the whole area here was drawing enabled, and if I can put them side by side here. This is actually, no, it's about the same size. Really hoping that it's side by side. I don't like that there's negative space around here, but other than that, they're pretty much the same size-wise. So that's really awesome. But I'm going to test it out tonight and give a better review in the description while this video is loading. So thank you for watching.